Is your business considering hiring a drone pilot for your next project? With the market flooded with options and millions of consumers owning their own drones, it's important to know some basic tips to consider. My name is Chris and I'm a commercial drone pilot for Bendigo Aerial. And in this video, I will guide you through my top tips for hiring a drone pilot. If you smash that like button and subscribe, I'll even give you a free bonus to save you some time. 1. Hiring a drone pilot with insurance. When hiring a drone pilot, it's crucial to verify their insurance coverage. Unlike other business insurance, drone insurance is unique and requires a separate policy under aviation. Business insurance does not cover drone flights, and the business hiring drone pilot may be liable. Understanding the extent of protection provided by insurance can safeguard you from potential liabilities in case of accidents or damages during the drone flight. Look for a minimum of $20 million in public liability insurance and ask the drone pilot for a certificate of currency that lists drones or RPA flying. Tip 2. CASA accredited and approved. Becoming a commercial remote pilot requires significant training and experience. Civil Aviation Safety Authority accreditation is essential. Opting for a CASA approved drone pilot with the REPL, remote pilot license, or REOP,
A little longer than a few minutes later.
remotely piloted aircraft operator's certificate, ensures that they have met the required standards set by the Aviation Authority. Tell me, would you get an electrician to wire your house unlicensed? No? Well, it's equally important to verify a drone pilot's license to protect your project and ensure compliance. Tip 3. Researching qualified drone pilots. Before finalizing a drone pilot for your project, conduct thorough research. Check their accreditation on CASA. Do the pilots bring additional qualifications, experience, and life skills that suit your project? Evaluating their background can help you make an informed decision and choose the best fit for your project. Tip 4. Getting approvals and permissions. Navigating the process of obtaining necessary approvals and permissions for drone operations is vital. Crown land, private land, restricted zones, state parks and national parks all require permissions and/or permits. Your commercial drone pilot will organize his permits or permissions. However, be prepared to give approval from your project team so drones can take off and land on your property, including updating any JSA, SWMS, and risk registers. Tip 5. Post-production and final delivery. When discussing a quote with a drone pilot, it's important to consider not only the pricing, but also the post-production services. What do I get for my money? Do I get free revisions? Understanding what is included in the final deliverables and negotiating pricing and timelines. Questioning this upfront can help in setting clear expectations and smooth project completion. Many commercial operators will even offer a free test flight so the customer can evaluate the drone pilot's performance, equipment used, and the output of the final produced product. Hiring a drone pilot and commercial operator is an important step for your business, ensuring legal compliance, safety, and attention to detail. Remember to ask important questions, and this is my bonus tip. Go to the description below and download a free checklist from the blog post. I've created a simple one-page document with common questions, a checklist, and information to ask when hiring a drone pilot. It will save you time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this useful. Click here on this video that YouTube thinks you should watch, or click here to watch more videos about drone pilots.